Good morning. Hello everyone. Today we're going to start a new journal. This will be my last Christmas journal for this year. I am making some ornaments and some shaker tags and things like that. So that's going to be fun, and we're going to do some projects that go in this journal. What I want to do is I want to show you the papers that I'm going to use, and this is a Hello Susan digital. Of course, it is located at payhip.com/hellosusan. I'll have a link in the description box in case you want to get the same papers. This one is going to have the cover that's going to be blue lace. It will be a soft cover. Let me move this paper clip out of the way. I'll show that to you in a minute. So the pages all have a blue border around them. So it's very antique-y and kind of crisp because it's the off-white with tea stains, but it's got that border, so it makes it pretty crisp and a little bit contemporary as being vintage at the same time, if that can happen. So this is the first page of the kit, and this is called Christmas Daily. And this is the second page. Love that scene. I've got something special planned for that one, and I'm going to share it with you when I do it. And this one actually is made for you to be able to put your own labels and put your own ideas. I also printed this out as an 8x10, and I'm going to cut it up and I'm going to make it a tablet for Christmas so that I can jot down my groceries or whatever I need to do, a list. And that's gonna be very festive for me. So not only is it a journal page, it can be used for other things. Look at this one, the teacup with all the berries and the bird and the nest. Love this blue ginger jar. Isn't it happy and festive? I had a lot of fun designing this one. Oh, those amaryllis. I've grown those before. Have you grown them before? I sure love them. They're so easy to grow. Just plant it and water it and put it in a sunny window and you're set. Okay, now it comes with some background pages, so you can do belly bands, envelopes, pockets, tags, whatever you want to do. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one, so you're not cornered in on any one color. And then here's the ephemera that goes with the kit. There's a belly band, some tags, and some ephemera. And here's another set of ephemera, which got journal cards and some ephemera on it. I'm going to make a shaker card out of this one. We'll do that. We'll do that together. And then also, that's the end of the Christmas Daily Kit. But I'm also going to use my Shabby Christmas December Daily Countdown numbers. And of course they come with all 25. I didn't go past 25. I figure after Christmas, maybe you're not even journaling anymore after Christmas. I don't know. That's just the way my mind goes. And there's the second one. And it's got all little bitty pieces there, so that's great. You can cut them out. Of course, you can print them different sizes, which is what I did here. I put 2 to a page so that I could have them smaller in case I wanted them smaller. I haven't decided exactly what I'm doing yet. I just wanted to have it available. And the third kit that I'm using from Hello Susan is called Christmas Stamps. And I plan on using these for tags and journal cards in the kit to fill in pockets and things like that. It's just so fun. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you separately. Let me bring it up a little bit closer. It's a poinsettia, and it's double-sided. I put it with the paper clip, so it's an altered paper clip, and I used resin and diamond dust to make it glitter like that. Isn't that fantastic? I just love it. So I'm going to have that included in the journal too. Well, that's what I have planned for this journal so far. Of course, once I start making it is when I start finding out maybe I was on the right path or maybe I'm going a different way. But anyways, thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.